Hello everyone, my name is Nurfarisma Sawitri. Here I will explain the tools from the upstream oil palm industry. Number 1, tracer station. Number 2, digester station. Number 3, screw press. Station tracer. Tracer is drum speed. This selection station aims to remove the fluid from the ice bags. The weld TBS in the speak by one the fluid and the bags by slimming the TBS into tracer drum that is a 5 ton tracer capacitance. Number 1. The auto feeder server as TBS for the dead tracer. Deliver the fluid from the bags hopper to the drum striver for the selection process to drum profile. Number 2. Electromotor server to move the drum direction. 3. Gearbox server to the duct's direction. Number 4. Proxcat server to trimming the direction of the electromotor and gearbox. Number 5. Lift the bar server to toss the fluid of the discord, take off out the drum. Number 6. Main shaft. 7. Ice drum drive shaft. Number 7. Drum figures. 7 to revert the drum against the shaft. Number 8. Litex server a gap in the pipe of the fluid into the gutter either stripper. Number 9. Empty bags conveyor server as an empty bags transfer for the tracer station to empty bags hover. Number 10. Empty bags hover server as aim temperature seller before being sent to the garden for max. 11. Fluid scraper conveyor. This tool serves to transport brownland driver from tracer tools to digester. Digester is the beginning of the process of the pumping station direct fluid to spread the phase of the fluid with side product for the gradient station in the digester scamming truck for fluid transfer conveyor. In the process, this digester user and rod transit. Digester part and chair reinspection. Number 1. Gear redex server to move the shaft of the gear rod. Number 2. Coping server and connector and regulates the direction of the drive motor to the digester. Number 3. Isolator server to hold height so as not to come off the digester cylinder. Number 4. The steam injects pipe server is a place to enter the steam into digester. Number 5. Steam connect servers to maintain the temperature in the digester. Number 6. 3 scrape server to close the valves of the fluid that has been boiled. They are 6 knives. 5 pairs of knives useful for training across the fluid and 1 knife that is moved useful of the boiling fluid in the screw press. Number 7. The funnel digester server to drain the fluid that has been crewed into the screw press. Screw press server to snake oil from the mid of the fluid that has been crewed. Be great to produce crude palm oil CVO. Part of the press to end its friction. Number 1. Connects arc cylinder iron and the export that connects the sport the spring of brake handles from out B screw. Number 2. Press cake in cylinder tuber with 2 large holes and splits for pump and screw. Remove big screw. Press cake with a point with hole of the cylinder of the body that serves to filter oil from the press. Number 3. I word is screw-shaft that stretch and press direct to oppose all drags and side. Electromotor saver screw press speed drive. Number 4. If belt saver to connect the electromotor friction and screw press. Number 5. The Gearbox 7 is an electromotor friction reducer.